What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Want It by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll drown your goldfish in a bowl of piss. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning. It's got 3 different chords and one picking pattern that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a C bar chord. Index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Use your ring finger to bar the D, G, and B string on the 5th fret. And then come down to an E minor bar chord, which is 7th fret with your index finger on the A, 9 on the D string with your ring finger, 9 on G string with your pinky, and your middle finger is on the 8th fret of the B string. And then a D power chord, or bar chord technically. It's the same as your C, you're just starting on the 5th fret, and then barring the 7th with your ring finger on the D, G, and B. Once you get the chords down, you just need your picking pattern. It's very easy. It's the same throughout all these chords. You're just doing it twice as long on the D. So starting with your C, A, D, B, G, D. One time there, slide down to your E minor. Same thing, one time there, and then to your D, twice. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.